Now, welcome back to Ken's Fishing and Cooking Channel. Today we're going to be cooking up some breakfast for supper. So what we have here is some bacon, eggs, grits, and biscuits. I'll turn the skillet up to medium-high. You want to cook the bacon at a slower pace so that it can be nice and crispy. Alright, we got the bacon going. Went ahead and turned the oven up to 350 so we can get some of these biscuits in there. Grands, flaky layers. Butter tasting, it says. So I have my pan out, and I'm going to go ahead and layer it with some tin foil so the biscuits don't get stuck on the pan, because they like to do that. Take a little butter. Put it on the bottom there. Try to keep them from sticking. Wash my hands now. I think everybody as kids just love to see this happen. Go ahead and pop those in the oven for about 10 minutes. The bacon looks to be doing pretty good. Go ahead and flip it over. Next up, a bowl of hot water. Just set that on that back burner back there. Turn it on high. As soon as it comes to a boil, we'll put these Jim Dandy grits in there. Alright, while that water's heating up, we'll go ahead and get this bowl, put our eggs in it. Got a shell in there. Got it. A little salt, a little pepper. Yep, that one. Got the water boiling back here. Put some grits in. Check the biscuits. Perfectly crispy bacon. I'm just going to put some butter in there. Turn it back on high. Alright, those biscuits look pretty done to me. Yeah, these grits are a little bit watery. Should let them cook down just a little bit more. That's the finished product right there. It's breakfast for supper.